Welcome back to our journey through the first 50 Linux commands. Today we're on lesson 22, and it's a small delight. Picture Tom in the middle of his workday. A colleague asks, "Can you meet on the 17th?" And Tom freezes. Is that a Monday? A Friday? He could open a calendar app, grab his phone, or count manually from date. But there's a faster way. 3 letters, cal, 1 word, and the whole month appears right there in his terminal. So what exactly does cal do? It prints the current month as ASCII art, a simple 7-column grid, Sunday through Saturday, with today's date highlighted in inverted text so your eye lands on it instantly. Want more? Cal 2026 gives you the whole year. Cal 12 2025 jumps to December. Cal 3 shows you last month, this month, and next side by side. And that's it. No menus, no preferences, no configuration. A 50-year-old command that still beats most modern calendar apps for sheer speed. So let's actually try it. Type cal, nothing else, no flags, no arguments, and there it is. The current month laid out as a tidy little grid, with today glowing back at you. In this example, May 2026, the 20th is highlighted. One quick note for our European friends. Linux follows the US convention of starting the week on Sunday, but if you prefer Monday in the leftmost column, just add "nistmi." Now here's where a cal becomes a tiny time machine. Pass it a month and a year, say cal 12 2025, and you'll see December 2025. Pass just a year, like cal 2026, and the whole 12 months unfold in a neat 3x4 grid. And cal 3 Maulers gives you the sweet spot for scheduling. Last month, this month, next month, side by side. One small gotcha, the order is month then year, and always use 4 digits because cal 1225 will cheerfully show you December of the year 25 AD. Beyond the basics, cal hides 3 flags worth knowing. Calum starts the week on Monday, the European convention, so if you're in Hungary or anywhere else where Sunday isn't day 1, this feels instantly right. Cal is a quick shortcut for the whole current year, no typing the digits. And cal just switches to Julian day numbers, day of year instead of day of month, handy in astronomy and agriculture. If you prefer Monday first always, just alias cal me's in your Bashirk and forget about it. Let's see those flags do real work. Tom's planning his team's Q3 sprint, and he needs the whole quarter visible at once, so he types cal 3M, 3 months, Monday 1st, and there it is. July, August, September laid out side by side. He spots instantly that August 31st falls on a Monday, perfect for a sprint review, and that September starts midweek. 1 second, no calendar app, no clicking through views. Now here's a trap almost everyone falls into. You'd think cal 2025-12 would show December 2025, right? Nope, cal snaps back, illegal month value. Because the order is month first, then year, a quirk inherited all the way from Unix v7 in the 70s, so it's cal 12 2025. Remember it as small number first. The month is smaller than the year, and if you just want the whole year, cal 2025 on its own does the trick. Now, cal doesn't work alone. It has 3 close friends. First, date from our last lesson. Cal gives you the visual grid. Date gives you the precise moment. Pair them and you've got context plus accuracy. Then there's cal, a quirky cousin that flips the calendar sideways. Days run top to bottom instead of left to right. And finally, at and cron. Once you've spotted the right day in cal, these let you actually schedule something on it. See, then schedule. All right, enough talk. Let's actually play. 3 tiny exercises, 2 minutes total. First, just type cal on its own and watch today's date light up in the grid. Then try cal 3 for a 3-month panorama, last month, this month, next month, side by side. And for a bit of magic, type cal 7 1969 and look at July of the moon landing. Apollo 11 launched on the 16th, landed on the 20th. Suddenly history has a shape you can see. And that's cal. A tiny, ancient, beautifully unfussy command that gives you the whole month at a glance. You've got the 4 moves, bear cal for today, cal 12 2025 for any month in history, 3s are you to zoom out, and if you prefer Monday first weeks. Next up, stage 05 continues with I'd, answering the question, who am I on the system? Because once you know when, the next thing Linux wants you to know is who. See you in lesson 23.